Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to see Street View Google Map in Android. So if you also want to see Street View Google Map in Android, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Maps. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Google Maps has been opened. You can search for the destination of your choice. After that, you'll be able to view that destination over here. So if you want to view the street view, it is actually very simple. Street view is a virtual representation of the world that's created by stitching together panoramic images. So if you want to view the street view, first of all, what you have to do is tap on the layer icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two sections over here, map type, map details. Under the map type, you'll be able to find the options for default, satellite and terrain. Under the map details, you'll be able to find the options for public transit, traffic, bicycling, 3D, street view, wildfires and air quality. Simply tap on the option street view. Now after that, simply close the layers. Now over here, you'll be able to view the street view. Basically, all the blue lines on the map indicates areas with street view coverage. So these are the street views. So that is how you see Street View Google Map in Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.